Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to create Facebook Reels on Android. So to do that, let's head over to a Facebook application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines on the top right. And in here, go to your profile. Now go to the option in here, Reel. Just tap on Reel. And here you have to select any video you want. Suppose I'm gonna select this video and then tap on next. And here you can describe your reel or give a caption in here and then tag people, or you can also share it on Instagram and your location. And once we're done with it, just tap on share now. And as you can see in my page, it is showing uploading reel. So once the reel is uploaded, it will be shown in my news feed. So let me just so as you can see, my reel is uploaded. You can post your reels on Facebook like this too. So yeah, hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.